Kamusta meeting nyo? You're Pablo's girl, right? Oh, bakit? You're too plain. Ano ba nagustuhan niya sa'yo? Ay, gawin ba naman akong kanin? At ikaw, ano ka naman? Egg rice. Wag, ang oily masyado. Ang asawa nga naaagaw. Boyfriend pa kaya? Cut! Sorry, akala ko kasi nasa teleserye tayo. Gusto pa pala yung mga ganito. Anyway, just talk to my attorney. Oh, yan na pala siya eh. I'm Carlota's attorney and boyfriend. I'm Pablo. And I'm giving you 5 seconds to go away. Don't bother us again. Shoo! You can't shoo me. We're groupmates kaya. Oh, I can. Di peram na sapatos, baka madadaan siya sa batuhan ng shoe. Sabi ko, huwag kang mag-joke eh. Hindi naman nakakatawa. Pero nagla-laugh ka naman. Hindi ka pa aalis? Tibay mo naman. I was just testing if you guys have a strong foundation. I always do this when I'm bored. Wala akong suot na foundation. Same D. You guys are annoying, but cute. Sana all. Iba na lang kasi, miss. Annoying ka rin naman eh. Pretty annoying nga lang. Huwag ganun ha. Okay? Huwag na mauulit. Sige na. Is, gwapo mo talaga, no? Wala tong pagiging gwapo ko if I can't make you laugh. Ano ba? Bulaga! Happy anniversary! Wow! I'm so gulat, B! Pangit pa talagang gulatin, no? Kasi naman, whenever you're doing that, I can hear your counting slip. 1, 2, 3. Bulaga! Pangit! Ko? No, I mean the style is so pangit. Ah, so yung forma ko yung pangit. Yan, Carlota ha. Diyan ka magaling. You're always twisting my words. Look, oh, leg ko naman yun na to twist. Ayan, diyan ka naman magaling sa mga jokes mong wali. But I'm a V naman sa heart mo, diba? Ang corny, hoy! Corny? Sorry, I just finished eating corn. Pabluson! Diyos ko po. What's that, ha? Bulaklak para sa jowa best ko kasi second anniversary na namin. Ba't nandito ka na? Sinabi ko ba dumating ka na maaga, ha, Pablo? Flower? That's for me? Baya, nasira surprise ko. Oh, flower for you. Baby, first time ko makatanggap ng flower. Sorry kung fake yan. Wala pa kasi ako masyado ipon eh. Or fake or real to. I really appreciate this, my baby. Naiiyak ka? Kailangan po bang i-point out? I'm getting shy na. Ang soft! Ang cute mo! There, wala. Akin yung flower na yan. Di pala sa'yo yan. Let's go na. Tagal na order natin. Ano to? I know that's only a promise ring. Hindi pa yan engagement ring kasi, you know, nagsisimula pa lang naman tayo magtrabaho pero I wanna spend my life with you, Carlota. I wanna know you with my jokes forever. I wanna marry you. Ang haba pa nalalakbay natin pero kung ikaw naman yung makakasama ko habang buhay. Yes na yes, Pablo. Yes? Super yes. Super yes? Then I'll give you a super hug.